Potatoes, spinach, lamb curry. Can't be more delicious than this. Veggies, we have 2 onions diced, 4 green chillies, 2 tomatoes sliced, and a cupful of spinach, 4 potatoes which have been diced and are soaked in water so that they don't turn brown, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Add some curry leaves. Flavor with the oil. Just be a little careful when you add them. Red chilies. Toss them around for a minute. Now they look good. Onions and peppers. You could add a little bit of salt so the onions turn brown a little faster. So we could place the lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes. But add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. There are no hard and fast rules. You can add any vegetables of your choice. You can let this cook for about 2 minutes. Spinach gives a nice spinaky flavor. It's always a good idea to add leafy vegetables last. This is a good part. Wow, this is beginning to look really good. You can let this cook for a minute. Then we add the spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This is Shaan meat masala that adds flavor to the meat. And fenugreek leaves. Let's give it a good crush. Salt can be added at the end. This is the meat that was steamed earlier. Since the meat was already boiled in a pressure cooker, it shouldn't take too long to cook the meat. Now we could add a little bit of salt. Let's add half a cup of water and let it cook for a good 10 minutes. Love the smell of it. Look at this. Doesn't this look yummy? You got the lamb that's well cooked. You got the potatoes which have been cooked. Onions, tomatoes, green chilies, all of them add to the gravy. Let's check it out. Wow, it's just delicious. The lamb, the potatoes, onions, green chilies have all added a nice consistency to the gravy. If you love the video, thanks for watching and please like, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.